Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the principle of the conservation of a linear momentum. So we will just start by means of a definition. The principle of conservation of a linear momentum states that if no force acts on a system, the momentum of the system remain constant. To understand the concept of the conservation of linear momentum, let's take an example. Consider there is a system of a two body. There is any system of a two body. Take any two body, and there is no external force acting. Between on that bodies. And only there is mutual interaction is occurred between the two bodies. Only there is mutual interaction is occurred between the two bodies. Due to that mutual interaction, momentum of the individual body may change, but net momentum of the system remain constant or a conserved. Clear? Thus, if P1 and P2 are the momentum of a two body at any instant, if P1 and P2 are momenta of a two bodies at any instant, when there is no force has been applied on a system, if P1 and P2 are the two momenta of the body at which when there is no force has been applied, that means P1 plus P2 is constant. P1 plus P2 will be constant. Clear? Second point, if due to the mutual interaction, if interaction of the two body, the momenta become P1 dash and P2 dash, P1 dash and P2 dash. That means during the mutual interaction, momenta of the two body may change. At that time, according to the law of conservation of linear momentum, it has been defined in terms of P1 plus P2 equals to P1 dash plus P2 dash. In terms of a mass, this equation can be highlighted in terms of m1 u1. Reason momentum is defined as m into v, so it has been designated as m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to m1 u1 dash plus m2 u2 dash. What it means or what it is? That is nothing but that means initial momenta of a system is equals to the final momentum, and that is the entire derivation regarding the conservation of the linear momentum. Clear? So hope you will understand the concept. If you like the video, hit on the subscribe button and click on the like. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.